All right. We're live. Soon I finish chewing up some popcorn. Anyways, so I want to share this little piece right here because in the query, the last query that I did, it was a long video, but in that query that we made, we were able to successfully, let me pull that up. Let me get my server running. npm dev. Okay. So we were able to successfully get the heroes along with their power listed for a single. So if I said /2, then there's Miles Morales, Spider-Man with rivals, and there we just see Green Goblin. If I said 3, here we have Green Goblin, Venom, Pace Pot, Pete, Punisher, Thanos. Let's do Superman. I think Superman is 12, and see what happens when we do 12. We do 12. We only have Darkseid there. We're missing Lex Luthor, right? Lex Luthor does not have a hero name. He just has first name and last name. So wanted to fix that so that all the rivals' names can be listed. So here's what we'll do. And it's going to take us rewriting the query. Let me show you what I mean. So here, I'm in my MySQL server. I've got that running right here. And let's say I wanted to get the first and last name of Batman, okay, which I know he has an ID of 1. I could say select hero. I know I'll just say select first name first, comma, last name last, from hero where, let me just write this out like this, where hero ID is equal to 1. And it's going to give me a table here with 2 fields, first and last, for Bruce Wayne. But what if I wanted to combine them? Okay, if I wanted to do that, how can I do that? Well, in MySQL, there is a function called concat, which allows us to concatenate values, strings, if you will. So what I could do is I could say select. Oh, is this thing finally starting to work? Maybe not. I could say select concat, and then in parentheses, I'll put first name, comma, add some space, and make sure I put some space in between there. And then last name, and I'll just put name, that'd be the alias, from hero where hero ID is equal to 1. Well, let me go back. I'm still with that n. Is equal to 1. And when I hit enter, there you see name and Bruce Wayne. So we're able to concatenate the string, the 2 fields, if you will. Okay. So what can I do with that then? Well, let's do this. I'm going to write a query that will contain a conditional in there. And this conditional will be, excuse me, if they don't have a hero name, then display their first and last name as concatenation. Otherwise, just display their name. Okay. So I'm going to say select hero underscore ID, comma, case when hero underscore name is null, then what we'll do is we'll concat first name, put a little space right there, last name, else hero underscore name, and I'll just call it name from hero. So here, well, I'm just saying, hey, if hero name is null, then we're going to concat first name and last name, else just display the hero name in name from hero. When I hit enter, there's a list of all 100 heroes. So we see like here, Batman, Spider-Man, etc., etc. And then we get to, let's see, where's one? Tobias Well. That is just his first and last name. That's not the hero name. Lex Luthor, same thing. So what we'll do, Raz Al Ghul. So what we'll do is in our query where we're getting the rivals, we're going to write the query this way, say, hey, give me, let's see which one's getting the rivals. This one right here. So we're going to select the hero name. If they don't have a name, if they don't have a hero name, it will concatenate first and last name and then name it hero, and then do the same thing for rival. So that way, if the hero does not have a hero name, just a first and last name, then it'll display that, their first and last name. And we'll add that also to the rival. So that way all the rivals will be pushed through. And we don't necessarily have to do the hero name, but we're going to do it anyway just for practice. So here's our query here. We're going to just clean this up. So I'm going to say select. I'm also going to get the hero ID. So I'm going to say H1 hero underscore ID. Okay. And now here's where we're going to make our first change. I'm going to say case when H1 dot hero underscore name is null, then we're going to concat H1 dot hero first. H1 dot first name. That's what it was. H1 dot first underscore name, comma, put space there, and then H1 dot last underscore name, put a line right here, else H1 dot hero underscore name, end, I'll say hero, and then do the same thing here. Case when H2 dot hero name is null, then concat H2 dot first name h2 dot last name else h2 dot hero name, then end rival. So here's our condition. Say, hey, if the hero name is null, then name or hero or rival will become concatenation of the first and last name. And that should be it. I'm going to come over here and here's Superman, and I refresh this. Oh, we only got Darkseid still. Oh, you know what? I don't need. Did we add Lex Luthor? We may not have added him. Yeah. I don't think we did. Let me see if we did. Select h1 dot hero name h2 that hero. Well, I need to do that that thing there. Case when h2 dot hero name is null, then concat h2 dot first underscore name. We may not have added him. h2 dot last underscore name else h2 dot hero name and just call it rival. From hero h1 join hr, well, no, hero to rival hr on h1 dot hero underscore id is equal to hr dot hero underscore id, and then join hero h2 on h2 dot hero underscore id is equal to hr dot rival underscore id, where h1 dot hero underscore id, I believe Superman is 12. Check here real quick. And Superman is 12, yes. Oh, what did I do? Made a mistake. From hero h1. Is that right? Oh, from the hero to rival tech. Okay. So so from hero to rival, let's do it like that. From hero to rival, I'm gonna join. So from hero to rival, HR, join hero H1. Let's see if this works. Trying to write this up real quick just to see if we added him. I got another error. You know what? When that happens, what am I going to do? I'm going to go and look at my old query. How do we do that? Go back to my notes. Yeah, not you. Go here, here, and here. Nope, that's not it. And how do we get the rivals? Let's see. Select H1 hero name. Do I have any who what? I'm doing a video right now. You got some bad evaluations. All right. Let me see. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna copy this right here. Paste it over here. Let me adjust this. So select. How do I start off? Select. I know that hero name, hero, and then here I'm gonna say case when h2.hero name is null, then concat h2 first name, and then h2 last name. Else h2.hero name end rival, and then Superman was 12. Let's see if this works. Please don't be an error. Shooting the video. Okay, paste right there. We only got dark. Okay, so Lex Luthor wasn't even added as a rival. What's Black Lightning? I think we had him. Let's see what was Black Lightning's. Did we not?
We added the characters with the intention of them being rival, but you went down the list of characters you don't have a rival.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, if that's the case, then well, the query works. Okay, so yeah, I don't know Black Lightning's. He's 20. Tobias Will's 37, so he may be in that group. So 20. Let me come over here and change this to 20.
Oh wait, we added Lex Luthor when we were doing the team. The people
yeah.
The team, we didn't give them rivals.
Right. But here it is. It works because there's Tobias Will. His name is listed. So that's what we wanted to do. Display their name if they don't have a hero name first, a hero name. So it does work. There he goes. So close you out now. Oh no. Come over here. Let's come over here. Open that up. All right. That's not the one. Oh, okay. I see what it did. All right, cool. So there's the query. It works. Great. So now I got that. That was a cleanup that I wanted to do for this. So I'm going to stop this video, and then we'll do another video. Next one, we're going to finish up on our heroes, our hero DAO, and then we can move on from there. We got a lot done, believe it or not, a lot of work done. So yeah, we'll stop this video. I'll catch you on the other side where we're going to continue working on the hero DAO.